In this video you will learn candlestick body sizes and candlestick shadows, tails. Long bodies refer to strong buying or selling pressure. If there is a candlestick in which the close is above the open with a long body, this indicates that buyers are stronger and they are taking control of the market during this period of time. Conversely, if there is a bearish candlestick in which the open is above the close with a long body, this means that the selling pressure controls the market during this chosen time frame. Short and small bodies indicate a little buying or selling activity. The upper and lower shadows give us important information about the trading session. Upper shadows signify the session high, lower shadows signify the session low. If a candlestick has a longer upper shadow, and short lower shadow, this means that buyers flex their muscles and bid price higher. But for one reason or another, sellers came in and drove price back down to end the session back near its open price. If a Japanese candlestick has a long lower shadow and short upper shadow, this means that sellers flashed their washboard abs and forced price lower. But for one reason or another buyer came in and drove prices back up to end the session back near its open price.